See how dirty it is. Welcome back to the channel guys. I'm doing great. Hope you're doing absolutely fine. बहुत दिन से बाइक चली नहीं है, पूरे कवर में पड़ी है और आज मुझे थोड़ा काम है. So if you are facing issues with your bike that it does not start properly, you have to crank it up a lot, or it does not have the initial pickup, or it does not speed up a lot after like 90 or 100, it doesn't go past that. It could be because of low fuel supply and a clogged fuel filter. So we'll try to clean the filter today and see if that could be a problem or not. So if you come to the left side of the vehicle, you will see this. This is known as a petcock, which has reserve, off and on symbols. Currently it is in on, because the arrow is showing towards the tank. It's on. This is off position, and then this is reserve. It's pointing towards the reserve. We'll keep it to off or we open it, and this is the fuel filter here. So the petrol comes from the tank from here through these pipes. It goes into this petcock. It's known as petcock or tap, fuel tap, and it filters there, and then from this pipe it goes to the carburetor, and from the carburetor it goes to the combustion chamber. We'll put it to off, and then we'll open this. There's a nut here. Products that I'm using to clean this today are this carb and choke parts cleaner. You can use anyone. This is a plier, and this is a ratchet and a screwdriver set and some rag. So you first shake the brake parts cleaner or the carb cleaner spray can, and then you just spray it to clean it. You just clean it like this, and it dries off very quickly. Then we take this ratchet and we open it like this. Once we open it, here is here it is. Here is the chamber. You see how dirty it is. That is the reason that it doesn't crank up properly. Very dirty. When you open this, you twist it like this. See how dirty these are. These are like completely choked, and because of this it creates problems. So you should clean this like every 6 months, once in 6 months. Let's clean them now. Let's clean the second one. So that's it. It's now clean. So you just spray it like this. Once it's done, put it here and like this, screw it back in. I've cleaned it already, see it's nice and clean. Tighten it because it should not leak. That's it. You can open it again, and I think that should work. इट्स द सेम डे, टी शर्ट चेंज हुआ है, दिन वही है, टाइम हो रहा है 4 o'clock in the morning. Well, I'm so sorry guys that I have not uploaded any video since the last 10 or 12 days, and the reason for that is I'm like busy, very busy with my work, and मैं सैटरडे संडे को मुझे टाइम मिलता है काम करने का, क्योंकि मेरा जॉब है, पूरे वीक में काम करता हूँ और सैटरडे संडे को वीडियो बनाता हूँ. तो अगर एक भी सैटरडे और संडे मिस हो गया तो वीडियोस के बीच में 10 से 12 दिन का गैप आ जाता है, क्योंकि मैं जानता हूँ अच्छा नहीं है, लेकिन सो इट्स नॉट द सेम डे, इट्स द नेक्स्ट डे, बिकॉज मुझे बहुत नींद आ रही थी रात को, तो मैं सो गया. इज द नेक्स्ट डे मॉर्निंग. तो फिलहाल मैंने इसका फ्यूल फिल्टर क्लीन कर दिया है. मैं एक वीक तक देखूंगा कि अगर इसमें वापस डस्ट आता है, वापस इसमें कचरा आता है, तो मुझे पूरा टैंक क्लीन कराना पड़ेगा. लेकिन फ़िलहाल के लिए मैंने ठीक कर दिया है. अभी बाइक नॉकिंग नहीं कर रही है, तो आप भी ये ट्राई कर सकते हो. आप एक बार करो क्लीन, 2 बार करो, वापस इसमें कचरा आता है तीसरी बार भी, तो फिर आपको कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है, सिर्फ टैंक ही क्लीन कराना पड़ेगा. एंड विद दैट सेड, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो गाइज. प्लीज़ प्रेस द लाइक बटन इफ यू like the video, share it, comment down below and subscribe to the channel if you are new here, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.